Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Ethereum from Kraken to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, transferring assets between exchanges has become easier, but it's crucial to do it safely. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Kraken and Gemini, with some Ethereum in your Kraken wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. It's a must in 2025's security landscape. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Funding, section, where you'll find the withdrawal options. This interface might have been updated by 2025, so look for any new features like enhanced transaction previews. Step 2. Select Ethereum from your list of assets. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch to your Gemini account and navigate to the deposit section to copy your Ethereum wallet address. Paste this carefully into the Kraken withdrawal form. Double-check for any typos, as they could send your ETH to the wrong place. Step 3. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Kraken will show you the estimated fees and network costs, which in 2025 might include options for faster Ethereum upgrades like those from the latest hard forks. Review everything, including the transaction details, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via email or your authenticator app. Step 4. Sit tight while the transaction processes. On the Ethereum network, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into Gemini and check your wallet to confirm the arrival of your Ethereum. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to avoid any mishaps. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your moves wisely. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.